Most developers run Git status constantly, but can you explain everything it shows? Git status gives you a snapshot of your project across two key areas: your working directory, all the files currently on disk, and the staging area, also called the index, which holds changes you've intentionally marked as ready to commit. Think of the staging area as a draft you're assembling before making it permanent. When you edit a file, Git status shows it under changes not staged for commit. Once you run git add on that file, it moves up to changes to be committed. This separation is powerful. You can make 10 edits but only stage 5 of them, so each commit stays focused and clean. Git status also lists untracked files. Brand new files you've created that Git has never seen before. Git is intentionally ignoring them. They will not appear in any commit until you explicitly run git add to bring them into version control. At the top of the output, you get your current branch name. And if you're tracking a remote, Git status also shows how many commits you're ahead or behind. No need to open GitHub to find out. Git status reveals your branch, staged edits, unstaged edits, and untracked files. All at once. Run it before every Git command. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.